Good morning students. Welcome back. In previous video we have learned about pronunciation syllables. हमने syllables पढ़े थे. How to break the word according to sound. है कि नहीं? Word को sound के हिसाब से कैसे break करते हैं हमने वो सीखा था पहले वाले वीडियो में. Today we are going to read some vocabulary. What we are going to read? Vocabulary. Kids, if you find out syllabus of this word, what it can be? Vocabulary. You and then lary. Vocab. You and then lary. Vocabulary. Yes or no? हमने इसका भी syllabus ढूंढा. Very good. Then come. What we have in vocabulary today? We have idioms. What do you mean by idioms? Like in Hindi, we have learnt about मुहावरे. है कि नहीं? मुहावरों के बारे में पढ़ा रहेगा. जैसे काम का ना काज का, घर का ना घाट का. देन व्हाट यू हैव 9 2 11 होना. यस और नो? ऐसे बहुत सारे मुहावरे पढ़े हैं. बट डू यू नो इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो देर आर सम मुहावरा. एंड व्हाट डू वी कॉल देम एज आइडियम्स. क्या कहते हैं हम? वी से इट एज आइडियम्स. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इन दिस. Read the following sentence from the lesson. Shh, said Paul and waited, holding his breath. So, what is the sentence here? Shh, said Paul and waited, holding his breath. The phrase holding his breath मतलब क्या होता है? Holding his breath का मतलब he was standing holding his breath. Really? वो अपनी सांस पकड़ के ऐसे खड़ा था क्या? No, but he was waiting for excitement. Excitedly he was waiting to happen something. Yes or no? The phrase holding his breath does not mean that Paul was not breathing. This holding his breath का मतलब क्या है? Paul सांस नहीं ले रहा था. ऐसा है क्या? No. Instead it means he was waiting anxiously or excitedly for something to happen. वो किसके लिए रुका था? कुछ तो होगा भी. There is something excited to happen. Such phrases are known as idioms. See, ये मुहावरा हो गया holding his breath. Such type of sentence is called as idioms. An idiom is a group of words that are put together to convey a meaning that is different from the actual meaning of the words. Like we can also write Hish said the Paul and waited for happening something. He was waited excitedly for something to happen. Yes or no? We can write it in a simple way. But to write it in a different way, like holding his breath, is a type of idiom. ये क्या हो गया? Idiom हो गया. It means a मुहावरा. For example, before the race, Amit had butterflies in his stomach. Now tell me, butterflies in his stomach का मतलब सच्ची में अमित के स्टमक में बटरफ्लाइज थी? अमित के टमी में सच्ची में बटरफ्लाइज थी क्या? No, it is a type of idiom. Here, the highlighted phrase conveys the meaning that he was anxious and nervous about the upcoming race. Actual meaning क्या था इसका? That Amit is nervous for the race. Let's have some more. Here we have idioms. Okay, यहाँ पे हमारे पास मुहावरे हैं and यहाँ पे meaning. What we have here? Having second thoughts. मतलब कुछ और भी आ रहा है क्या माइंड में? No, it means having a doubt. Idiom क्या है? Having second thoughts. और उसका actual meaning क्या है? Having doubts. A piece of cake. It means very easy. सच्ची में कोई तुमको केक दे रहा है क्या? Someone is giving you cake? No. It means very easy. A piece of cake, very easy. Out of the blue. It means without any warning. Slipped my mind. Slipped my mind. सच्ची में सर गिर गया? No. It means I forgot. So kids, I hope you are understanding this. While reading, pay more attention on the words written so that you can also understand what the meaning of the sentence is and what are the idioms. So, turn your page Come to page number 14. Here we have some sentences and accordingly we have to fill the idiom. In the last page we have read some idioms and here we have some idioms like raining cats and dogs. सच में cats और dogs की बारिश हो रही है? No, it means raining heavily. बहुत जोर से बारिश हो रही है. Give it a shot. It means try it out. है कि नहीं? उसको try करो. Otherwise you will give and someone a big punch, right? No, give it a shot means try. Cost an arm and a leg. It means very expensive. Is very expensive. Getting cold feet. सच्ची में पैर बर्फ की हो गई क्या? No. Getting cold feet means being nervous. Let's see. So here we have some sentences and we have to write the idiom. Okay. सेंटेंस के हिसाब से हमें करेक्ट आइडियम चूज करके लिखना है. राजू वॉज डैश बिफोर द साइंस टेस्ट. नाउ हाउ वॉज राजू फीलिंग? ही वॉज फीलिंग लिटिल नर्वस. सो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आइडियम हियर? गेटिंग कोल्ड फीट. राजू वॉज गेटिंग, look up here and write the same, cold feet. Raju was getting cold feet before the science test. It means Raju was feeling nervous. Meera was dashed about going for the picnic. Now Meera was dashed about going for the picnic. What can be the correct idiom? As we have learnt here on the last page, having second thoughts. Meera was having second thoughts. It means she was with little doubted for her picnic. Having second, second, second thoughts, thoughts, thoughts. Meera was having second thoughts about going for the picnic. Dashed a man leaped in front of me. What can be leaped in front of me? What can it match? I think the blue one. Out of the blue, it means out of the warning. See, without any warning a man leaped in front of me. It means out of the blue. What should be the correct idiom? Out of the blue. BLUE. Out of the blue a man leaped in front of me. I wanted to bring you the book, but it slipped my mind. I wanted to bring you a book, but I forgot. It means it slipped. SLIPPED. Slipped my mind. 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 Next, the new car cost an arm and leg. मतलब न्यू कार कैसी थी? बहुत एक्सपेंसिव. The new car cost me an arm, arm and a leg. It means it was very expensive. She wasn't sure she would win, but she decided to. So she was not sure, but she decided to have a try, right? She had a try. So what should be the correct idiom? Give it a shot. She decided to give it a shot. Next, because he had prepared well, winning the competition was dashed for him. Winning the competition was a piece of cake. It means very easy. A piece. PIECE. Piece of cake. 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 It is dashed, so I have decided to stay indoors. It is raining heavy. बहुत जोर से बारिश हो रही है. So I have decided to be inside my house. So it is, what should be the correct idiom? The first one, raining cats and dogs. RAINING. Raining cats and dogs. Understood, students? In this way you have to complete your page number 14 with the help of the given tables above of idioms and meaning. You have to choose the correct idiom and complete your sentence. Okay, we will learn more about idioms and everything in our next upcoming lessons. Till that, bye bye. Complete it in your English workbook.